Hi, friend. How are you? I'm sure that you are wonderful and great. So, today we are going to enjoy the topic effective communication, convincing communication. We all know that communication is playing very precious, important role in our life, in our career. That gives us success, happiness, pleasure, confidence. At the same time, that brings us dissatisfaction, failure too. So we know that communication is playing absolutely a very wider pillar role in our life. So what is communication? Communication is nothing but exchange of our thoughts, ideas, information, perceptions from one person to another with various sources of medium and channel. So this is very important that we have to have very convincing happy communication style. So here communication is a two-way process, sender and receiver. Senders, he makes up his mind what message, ideas, thoughts, perception he has to give. Accordingly, he encodes the language, then he send message through various channels, through his verbal communication, non-verbal communication, maybe by written, through various visual effects, signs, colors. Then it goes to the receiver. Receiver, what he does as per his experience, as per his conceptions, perceptions, he decodes it. He receives the message. Then accordingly, he send message to the sender. So this is called the complete 360 degree. So sender encodes the message, then he send it to the proper channel to the receiver. Receiver receives it, he decodes it. As per the receiving information, he send his feedback to the sender by appropriate channel, whatever channel he feel comfortable. So this is nothing but 360-degree complete communication process. Now 7 C's we are going to enjoy. These 7 C's are nothing but beautiful diamonds to our communication garland. So let us enjoy 7 C's, the 7 important diamonds, the 7 important features of communication. The very first is clarity. C for clarity. Whatever message you wish to give, that should be clear, simple, sweet, and clear. Your voice, your body language, your sending message style should be very simple. Try to avoid jargon language, technical language. If you are communicating with the layman or village person or the person who is staying in the remote areas, avoid jargon, technical, or too much flowery language, because that will become a negative point. If he is or she is having the technical background, no doubt, use it. That will be a positive point. So C for clarity. Next, C for conciseness. Keep your message simple and sweet. This is called the KISS. KISS. Keep it simple and sweet. If it is too much wide, then it is going to have inappropriate impact. So that should be well framed, well designed, with the appropriate time schedule. So next we have seen concise. Third is concrete. Concrete is nothing but it should be based upon the facts and figures. It should be relevant, सही होना चाहिए. Then only your message will have appropriate value. People will respect you. They will acknowledge you. They will be with you all the time, whether it's a rain or shine. So concreteness is very important. Number 4, correctness. Sometimes we twist the message as per our convenience. It is wrong. So give the factful information. Give the information with the facts and figures then only the people will respect you lifelong. That will increase your credentials, credibility, and people will trust upon you. Next is coherence. Coherence is nothing but like a necklace of a pearl, a beautiful necklace which is attached with various pearls. If the pearls are there, we give very solid respect to them because it is a precious. If it is scattered here and there, then they will not have that much value. But if they are with the appropriate silk, then that will have a very precious beauty. That is one of the finest piece of beauty. So coherence is very important. Your words, your sentences should be well versed, connected with one another. There should not be contradiction. So coherence is also very important and plays very vital role in your effective communication pattern. Then completeness. Your subject, your topic should be completed within a given time schedule. A to Z part has to be covered. If it is a lengthy topic, you can divide it in various periods. But see that your student, your fellow member, or your higher superior authority should not have the sense of incompleteness. If it is going to happen, that may lose your respect. People will not give you proper acknowledgement. So completeness is very important. Next, courtesy. Courtesy is playing also very vital role. Be humble, be polite, be gentle all the time. Even if you wish to give some negative thoughts, you are not agree with the consent, but use your words and sentences very decently. Keep smile. Smile is very beautiful word. Without word, you can preach to people, to groups, and that creates many times positive results. So what 7C's we have seen? Clarity, conciseness, concreteness, correctness, coherence, complete, and courteous. These 7C's are very important in our effective communication system. If you are well versed in the same, yes, you are going to be an energized person, happy person, and you are going to become a victorious person, winners in your life. I am sure that you are going to become one of the finest pearl, one of the finest diamond in the world. Thank you so much. My name is Professor Prakash Dalvi. I am motivation speaker, trainer, counselor, and mind power too. 9822397550. Thank you.